Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are all well. Today I'm going to make scrambled egg. No. Scrambled tofu. Tofu is a meat substitute, but in itself it is pretty bland. But spicing it up makes it much more enjoyable. You can make lots of different dishes with tofu. Today I'm going to make scrambled tofu in place of scrambled egg. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to make scrambled tofu, so I will mash this tofu first before I cook it, and then mix with this dressing. Mainly, the turmeric make nice yellow color, so it can be like similar to egg color. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of spice, cayenne pepper, nutritional yeast, onion powder, and flaxseed, ground flaxseed, pinch of salt and black pepper. This is about 100 milliliter, and I use only 50 ml and mix them well. Tofu is quite neutral, so it is without any dressing. It doesn't taste that good, so you need some spice it up. So in this way you can enjoy tofu. And the color would be nice because of this turmeric, nice yellow color. Okay, this is all mixed. And today I'm going to eat this tofu, scrambled tofu with some bread and some with rice. And I will mash tofu with a fork. This is a firm tofu though. Scrambled tofu, you better use a firm tofu. And when you make a pudding, you better use silken tofu, because that will not make a nice smooth pudding. It is half piece, but I think this will be enough. This is all mashed. So I will double check, there is bit pieces. This is done. I'm going to cook this with coconut oil. I use this as coconut oil, not any other cooking oil. Good quality of olive oil is good, but not for cooking. So for cooking, coconut oil is the best. Okay, let's cook it. Heat the pan, a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, I'm adding this tofu. It's all mashed, so you don't need to cook that long. You can put this tofu in the dim sum, it tastes very good too. Just simply warm it up and then eat with kimchi. It's very good. So now I'm going to add this dressing I made earlier. Okay, this is all done now. So this is the sourdough bread with avocado and tomatoes. I'm going to add the scrambled egg on top. And some of cooked mushrooms. Yeah, so this will be simple lunch or dinner. This is a brown rice. And I made kale salad, so add some kale salad. This is kale salad and brown rice, and now adding this tofu. Yeah, it's done. Very simple. Scrambled tofu has been finished and I'm trying with rice first. This tofu is very interesting because it's tofu can be very boring, but this is lovely. It's spiced up, so lots of flavor going in and really nice. Little kick with the cayenne pepper, so it's really good. Here's a bread version with the scrambled tofu. With the sourdough bread, that goes really well. It's lovely. Sourdough has own flavor, so this mingle with the scrambled tofu very well, so tastes really good. You can use this way or just, put in the chapati bread or sprinkle on top of a salad, and you can use lots of different things.
Well, that scrambled egg is lovely. Oh, the scrambled tofu.
So which one do you prefer?
They're both nice, it's just different. Quite spicy though, what's put in it?
Cayenne pepper.
Ah.
I think with the bread, the scrambled tofu become slightly milder.
Scrambled tofu really is nice. As you know, I'm not overly keen on tofu normally.
No.
I find it a bit bland, but this is a really good idea. Actually makes it tasty and interesting.
Great. I'm glad you like it.
Very good. Either with the bread or with the rice, either's nice.
Thumbs up again. Thumbs up. Hope you enjoy my recipe and thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Bye.